2 years in the making. In 2014, three intrepid adventurers, two men, Jeff and Carl, and Murray, embark on a trip of a lifetime exploring the wild north of Thailand. See vicious attacks from wild cobras and man-eating caterpillars. Disclaimer, caterpillar and cobra attack scenes are not actually filmed as the camera was not turned off. Spills and thrills were not filmed either. View the amazing video footage of the road and the fascinating view of a speedometer and handlebars. Welcome to Thailand.
Okay, day one.
Day one.
Jeff and we got Murray getting ready.
Point start.
No point start.
Well, we've cleared the points, haven't we? Yeah.
Oh no.
I'm working on it.
Oh no. Oh no. Yes, no, we've definitely got points. All right, well, we're gearing up now at day one. What day is it today? It's the 10th, and we're all set. And I've got my really comfy lambs. We'll see. And Murray's got his day seat on.
Sexual seat.
And
Jeff's a hard ass.
Jeff's gonna.
smiling
Jeff.
now.
Yes.
Just take a picture of Jeff's face.
Now.
It won't look like that again.
No, exactly. All right, signing out.
Okay, we're set to go. It's rolling, camera's going. Goodbye, darling.
because Jeff's had a bit of an incident. We just walk around here. Oh look, we have some scratches. Oh look, we've got some more. Oh look, more scratches. Oh no. Handlebars are bent. Scratched. Helmet too. Yeah, helmet. But Jeff's alright. And the good news for Murray and I is that he just gets 10 points and the tea cozy for tomorrow. Giddy up.
That doesn't have a screen on it.
So Murray, how many points, mate?
0, Carl.
For me, 1. Jeff.
10.
Bow.
No, it's still close.
11.
20.
20. Where did you get 20 from?
Because the 5 points when you didn't see me standing on the side of the road yelling at you, waving my hands,
Okay.
followed by the other 5 points where you nearly skidded off the road and into the gutter.
I was just testing the brakes.
Okay, so today's loser, oh no, sorry, today's winner is Jeff.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'd rather be a winner than a loser.
Yes. And Murray, you're a loser, mate.
Yeah,
no,
thanks, mate.
no points.
Yeah.
No points. And I'm just average in the middle, I mean, like, really.
Yeah.
Yep.
So Jeff's going to have a extra piece of clothing tomorrow,
Oh, yes.
and
The tea cozy.
the tea cozy.
Not all day.
Hold on. Not all day.
Not all day.
Just
Where-
walking out of the motel.
Eh?
Where does it say,
Ah!
in the Demerit Points Act of 2014, amended last night by Jeff,
Listen, Sheldon.
where does it say that?
Listen, Sheldon.
Where does it say that?
I'll rewrite
It doesn't. Okay, tea cozy. So we'll tune in tomorrow and have a good look at Jeff with his handmade tea cozy. Oh, by the way, we're in Mae Hong Song. See, it's really beautiful. There you go. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Oh, the temple's great.
Yeah. And beer.
That's a little special, isn't it?
Oh, mate. Look at that. Hey, I'm wondering, maybe there's more than one fish cave. Could be a few.
But it did say fish cave
And pie. So we're going the right way. Look at that. That is awesome. Yeah.
That's special.
Exactly. Well, Murray and I tend to have a feeling that we might be in Burma. Because there's an immigration checkpoint back there. Now, we don't know if they're just a checkpoint to check stuff, or it's actually a passport stampy office thingy. We don't know. So we're going to keep going up there and sneak a nose around the corner and see if, find a tiger, or maybe because Murray actually has been attacked by a cobra so far, and just the once, but we didn't get him on film, unfortunately. But hey, we'll keep trying. Oh, and here comes the immigration guy right now with a gun. Oh, big gun. Oh dear. I better turn the camera off now.
And all machete.
Alright, so we're going to sneak a nose around the corner and see if we are actually in Burma. But here is just lovely. It's not so lovely when you angle this way. But if I move away from the ugly, ugly thing, hang on, there we go, that's better.
The ugly farang.
The ugly farang. Okay, we're going to do a sneaky border run. Signing off. What was that?
It comes into a safety factor. It comes into safety factors.
What do you mean?
Well, it could fall off the line or something like that.
He's even got rear access here as well. That's good. We're happy now. But he thinks he's going to wear it for like 30 seconds and that's it.
Yeah.
Bow, bow. No, thank you. Hello, say hello. Jealous. Male cup. My good friend. Yeah, yeah. You bad Aussie. You bad man. Okay, so this is Thailand. That is Myanmar. See over there, Republic of the Union of Myanmar. What do you reckon, mate? No comment? Okay.